Right now, I am really liking AR because it looks quite complex, but in reality, it's pretty simple. And you can make a lot of different apps with AR, which I'm experimenting a lot with the help of my mentors.
Well, I have always been like obsessed with virtual reality, being able to go into a virtual world and have that surround you. Like that is just a surreal experience. My first experience has to be Beat Saber because it was just something that clicked.
So Gametronics is largely a theme park and virtual reality where we build our solutions and game and interactive content for theme parks and location-based entertainment zones and stuff. The easiest thing is that when you go to engineering college, you need to do some sort of awareness campaign kind of thing, whether they like games or not. That's the first thing. Here it's like, of course, they are part of Backstage Pass. That means they know game industry, they understand the challenges of game industry and all that. That is the first and the easiest thing. But at the same time, there are a lot of things which are specific to games, which are generally taught, but in a very vague kind of system in engineering colleges. Whereas in Backstage Pass, they actually address those specific problems. So that definitely works out really, really great for us.